This is Ray's Dodge Challenger RT Scat Pack, and today, we're setting the 6.4 liter Hemi up with our Stage-2 Naturally Aspirated package. After baseline downer runs to get our starting point for horsepower and torque, Dylan gets started in the shop. Up first, he removes the PCM so our in-house unlock can be performed. This is a necessary step for making calibration adjustments on any 2015 or newer Mopar. Next, he moves on to the stainless power lung tube headers. These headers sound great, add solid power, and are constructed of TIG welded stainless steel to last the long haul. And of course, we only use genuine OEM Mopar gaskets to complete the installation. Now, as we do in most cases, we're connecting up to the stock exhaust system. We love this approach because it simply amplifies the already great sounding factory exhaust. This gives a significant increase in exhaust note at wide open throttle, cruise, and at idle, all without being overbearing. And if you ever want it louder, an aftermarket exhaust system is a simple bolt-on ordeal away. Next, Dylan installs our air intake system of choice from JLT Performance. From our testing, this is the most cost-effective intake system we've seen for Hemi-powered Mopars. Great fit, OEM-like finish, and great performance at a super competitive price point makes this intake a great choice. With the PCM unlocked, Dylan reinstalls it for the next and final step. And back to the dyno to get dialed in by HP tuners. Oh yeah, much better sound. Now let's talk through these gains here. This car baselined at a healthy 445 wheel horsepower and 472 pound-feet of torque, with our Stage-2 Naturally Aspirated package kicking output up to 476 wheel horsepower and 490 pound-feet of torque, has peak gains of 31 wheel horsepower and 17 pound-feet of torque, with maximum gains coming in at 49 wheel horsepower and 59 pound-feet of torque. Incredible gains, especially in the mid-range where you use it most on the street. And whenever Ray's ready for more jam, he can simply add our camshaft package into the equation to push up to that 500 wheel horsepower mark. If you liked what you saw here, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay tuned for more. And as always, if you have any questions at all, we're happy to chat. Thanks for watching.